Will your health insurance pay for your breast reconstruction? The answer to that is yes. By law, if you have had or are having a mastectomy, meaning you're having your breast removed, if your insurance plan covers a mastectomy, by law they have to cover your breast reconstruction. So the answer to that is yes. If you are having a mastectomy or if you have had a mastectomy in the past, they will cover your breast reconstruction. They have to cover it by law. The other question that I frequently get asked is, patients have had mastectomies a long time ago. Will insurance pay for their breast reconstruction now? The answer is yes. By law, if your insurance plan, if your current insurance plan covers a mastectomy, which all insurance plans do, they will cover breast reconstruction. They have to by law. Even if you've had your breast reconstructed in the past and you're unhappy with them, you want a different reconstruction performed, you want to revise or improve the appearance of your breast reconstruction. As long as your current health insurer covers mastectomies, which they all do, by law they have to cover breast reconstruction procedures to get you looking as normal as we can and as symmetric as we can. So, this is not to be confused with breast reductions. Breast reductions are a different animal when it comes to getting it covered by insurance. Breast reconstruction after mastectomy is usually very easy to get covered by insurance because there are laws in place that require an insurance company to cover breast reconstruction if they cover mastectomies. So I hope that makes sense. If you want to learn more, please send us a virtual consult. You can also schedule an appointment with my insurance coordinator, a phone appointment, and she'll go through all your insurance information with you and let you know what would be covered and what wouldn't be covered. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.